plugin org.springframework.boot, spring-boot-maven-plugin, not found introduction. A common Maven build error in Spring Boot projects is plugin org.springframework.boot, spring-boot-maven-plugin, not found. This error usually appears when running mvn clean install, building a Spring Boot project, trying to package the application as a jar. It can be confusing because the plugin is essential for creating executable jars, running Spring Boot apps, mvn Spring Boot run, packaging dependencies. Understanding this error helps you fix build issues quickly and correctly. What does this error mean? It means Maven cannot find or download the Spring Boot Maven plugin. In simple terms, Maven tries to use plugin means plugin not found, means build fails. Example concept. Build starts means plugin required, means Maven cannot resolve, means error thrown. Why this happens? Maven resolves plugins from repositories, usually Maven Central. This error occurs when plugin is not defined correctly, version is missing or incorrect, repository is not accessible, internet/network issues, corrupted local Maven cache. Example concept. Plugin missing or unreachable means Maven cannot execute build, correct plugin configuration. Make sure your pom.xml contains build, plugins, plugin, group ID, org.springframework.boot, group ID, artifact ID, Spring Boot Maven plugin artifact ID, plugin, plugins, build. If you are using Spring Boot parent, version is automatically managed. Main cause 1. Missing plugin in pom.xml problem. No plugin defined. Fix. Add. In. Plugin, group ID, org.springframework.boot, group ID, artifact ID, Spring Boot Maven plugin. Example concept. Plugin declared means Maven can execute Spring Boot tasks. Main cause 2. Missing version without parent. If you are not using Spring Boot parent, group ID, org.springframework.boot, group ID, artifact ID, Spring Boot starter parent, artifact ID. Then you must specify plugin version. Fix plugin, group ID, Spring Framework Boot app group ID, artifact ID, Spring Boot Maven plugin, artifact ID, version 3.2.0. Example concept. No parent means version must be defined manually. Main cause 3. Typo in plugin name. Wrong Spring Boot Maven plugin. Or incorrect group/artifact. Correct org.springframework.boot Spring Boot Maven plugin. Example concept. Wrong name means Maven cannot locate plugin. Main cause 4. No internet repository access. Maven needs access to repositories like Maven Central. If no internet corporate firewall proxy misconfiguration, then plugin cannot be downloaded. Fix. Check. Ping repo.maven.apache.org or configure proxy in settings.xml. Example concept. No network means plugin download fails. Main cause 5. Corrupted local Maven cache. Sometimes the plugin exists but is corrupted in M2 repository. Fix. Delete cache. rm-rf/m2/repository org/springframework/boot. Then run mvn clean install. Example concept. Cache corrupted means delete, means re-download. Main cause 6. Using wrong Maven version. Old Maven versions may not resolve plugins correctly. Fix. Check version. mvn-v. Use Maven 3.6 plus or higher. Example concept. Outdated Maven means compatibility issues. Main cause 7. Repository not defined. Rare. If your environment does not use Maven Central by default. Fix. Add repository. A plugin repositories. Plugin repository. ID Spring releases. URL https toprepo.spring.io/release. Plugin repository. Main cause 8. Offline mode enabled. If Maven is running in offline mode, mvn clean install. It cannot download missing plugins. Fix. Remove O flag. Example concept. Offline mode means no download, means plugin not found, main cause 9, incorrect mirror configuration. In settings.xml, mirror config may block repositories. Example. Mirror of ll. URL invalid URL. Fix. Correct mirror URL or remove invalid mirror. Real-world example problem. mvn spring boot run. Error. Plugin not found. Fix. Add plugin. A plugin, group ID, org.springframework.boot. Group ID, artifact ID, spring-boot-maven-plugin, artifact ID. Then, mvn clean install. Result? Build successful. Example concept. Correct plugin config means Maven resolves plugin means build works. What this plugin does. The spring-boot-maven-plugin provides executable jar packaging, dependency repackaging, Spring Boot run command, build optimizations. Example concept. Plugin means enable Spring Boot build features. Common mistakes. 1. Forgetting plugin. No build support for Spring Boot. 2. Missing version without parent. Maven cannot resolve plugin version. 3. Typo in artifact ID. Plugin not found. 4. Offline mode enabled. No download possible. 5. Broken local cache. Causes unexpected failures. Best practices. Best practices include: use Spring Boot parent dependency, define plugin correctly, keep Maven updated, avoid manual version conflicts, clean local cache when needed, ensure internet/repository access. Example concept. Correct setup means smooth Maven builds. Advantages of understanding this issue. Once you understand this error, you can fix build issues quickly, manage Maven dependencies better, debug plugin-related problems, maintain stable build pipelines, avoid CI/CD failures. Example concept. Better Maven knowledge means fewer build failures challenges. This issue can be tricky because error message is not always clear. Multiple possible causes, environment-specific issues, proxy, firewall, dependency management confusion. Example concept. Simple config issue means complex troubleshooting, concepts learned. By learning this topic, you understand. Check what the Spring Boot Maven plugin is, why Maven cannot find plugins, how to fix plugin resolution issues, importance of parent POM, how Maven repositories work, how to debug build errors. Simple definition. Plugin not found error. A Maven error that occurs when it cannot locate or download the specified plugin required for the build. Final summary. The error, plugin org.springframework.boot spring-boot-maven-plugin, not found, means Maven cannot locate the Spring Boot plugin required to build or run your application. The most common fixes are: add the plugin in pom.xml, ensure correct version, if no parent, check internet repository access, clear local Maven cache, avoid typos. Once resolved, Maven can build your application, create executable jars, run Spring Boot apps,